Hello everyone, my name is Gokul Raj, and today I'm going to talk about a topic that's becoming increasingly important in both startups and big companies, the role of an n8n developer and how workflows transform businesses. Whether you're planning to become an automation specialist or just want to understand how businesses stay efficient, this session will give you a clear picture of what automation can do, what n8n developers actually work on, and why this skill is so valuable right now. For small businesses, an n8n developer often they're not just building one little integration, they're creating end-to-end solutions. Imagine a shop owner who spends hours every week sending follow-up emails, manually recording customer details, or creating invoices. An n8n developer can step in, design a workflow that does all these tasks automatically, and give that shop owner back valuable time to grow their business. For big businesses, the role looks different. Large organizations already have many specialized systems, CRMs, payment platforms, project management tools, HR databases, and they all need to work together. An n8n developer connects these systems seamlessly. Instead of replacing human jobs, automation removes bottlenecks, ensuring that data moves instantly from one department to another and tasks never get stuck waiting for someone to push a button. The real value, whether you're working for a small startup or a global enterprise, is time savings, fewer manual errors, and smoother operations overall. Now let's really zero in on what an n8n developer actually does day to day. For small businesses, they might automate follow-up emails so no customer ever feels ignored. They might organize customer data automatically into Google Sheets or a CRM. They might handle payment notifications instantly, so invoices or receipts go out without delay. For big businesses, they might build workflows that connect marketing systems to sales tools. They might make HR systems automatically sync with finance systems. They ensure that whenever information changes in one place, every other department sees it too, no more silos. And because n8n is flexible and open source, it can grow with the company. What starts as a small script can become part of a much larger automation strategy over time. Let's get practical with some real examples. These are workflows that almost any small business can use. Email automations, sending follow-ups or newsletters automatically. Form submissions, storing customer data directly in your CRM or database. Payment notifications, sending invoices or receipts instantly without typing. Social media posting, scheduling posts in advance so you don't have to log in every day. And when we map these workflows in n8n, they look very clear. A customer email adds them to the CRM automatically. A form submission gets saved directly to Google Sheets. A payment triggers a Slack alert instantly. These are not complex, any developer or even a power user can set them up. And yet, they save hours every single week. Now let's take a closer look at some common workflows that small businesses use every day, and how n8n can make them effortless. First, email automations. Small businesses often spend hours sending follow-up messages or newsletters by hand. With automation, every time a customer makes a purchase or signs up, they immediately receive a personalized email. No one has to remember to do it, and no lead slips through the cracks. Second, form submissions. Think about when customers fill out a contact form or sign up for a service. Instead of manually copying their details into a CRM or a spreadsheet, an automated workflow can store that data instantly in the right place, clean, accurate, and ready for follow-up. Third, payment notifications. When someone pays online, an n8n workflow can automatically send an invoice or a receipt, and even alert the team on Slack or email that a payment has arrived. This saves time and keeps finances organized without manual effort. And finally, social media posting. Rather than logging in every day to post content, small businesses can schedule updates in advance. Automation handles the publishing while the team focuses on creating better content and engaging with customers. Let's get practical with some real examples. These are workflows that almost any small business can use. Email automations, sending follow-ups or newsletters automatically. Form submissions, storing customer data directly in your CRM or database. payment notifications, sending invoices or receipts instantly without typing. Social media posting, scheduling posts in advance so you don't have to log in every day. And when we map these workflows in n8n, they look very clear. A customer email adds them to the CRM automatically. A form submission gets saved directly to Google Sheets. A payment triggers a Slack alert instantly. These are not complex, any developer or even a power user can set them up. And yet, they save hours every single week. So why is all this worth your attention? For small businesses, automation can save dozens of hours every month with just a few simple workflows. That's time the team can spend on growing revenue, improving customer service, or launching new products. For big businesses, automation keeps complex systems running efficiently at scale. It prevents delays, reduces miscommunication, and helps teams work together seamlessly. And because n8n is open source and flexible, it adapts to any size of company. You can start with small wins and grow into larger, enterprise-grade workflows, all using the same platform. The bottom line, automation adds value everywhere. Whether you're a two-person startup or a global enterprise, it saves time, cuts manual effort, and builds a foundation for scaling up without chaos. So, to wrap up, small businesses benefit from quick, end-to-end solutions. Big businesses rely on precise integrations to keep large teams aligned. And n8n developers, whether freelancers or part of a team, are the ones who make this possible. If you're a student learning about workflows and automation, remember this: start simple, learn how to map processes clearly, and you'll have skills that are valuable to companies of every size. Thank you for joining me in this session on the role of an n8n developer and the power of automation in modern business. See you in the next video. Team Data Legos.